Sawan. Today was the first day of Sawan. Yesterday was Guru Purnima. And while at temple, I thought of doing something I love the most. Bhog banana, अर्पित करना और उसे फिर प्रसाद समझकर ग्रहण करना. Today's भोग recipe is pretty simple. मखाना गुलकंद घी. कहते हैं कि ईश्वर भोग का नहीं, भाव का भूखा होता है. And this recipe has all my love. And it just simply gets done in 3 simple steps. First, you need to fry makhana in little bit of A2 Gir cow ghee. And I generally use vocal for local products, which are completely homegrown. And after that, just add full cream milk, gulkand, and organic jaggery. This is something that I actually got it from my client from Odisha. And the third, last but not the least step, is let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And yes, your divine bhog is ready. The divine bhog for my Bhagwan Shiva is ready. And I'll catch you soon.